David Susilo Unscripted YouTube channel videos are recorded using lenses provided by ShiftCam. One of my favorite earbuds brand, Cleer, have just recently released their open-ear earbuds called Arc 3. It claims to be Dolby Atmos optimized and uses Snapdragon as a processor. I personally prefer to use the open-ear system because to me, it's safer. Yes, the sound quality will suffer a little bit. However, I can easily hear my surroundings using my own ear's echolocation. To me, the main selling point is the smart case with built-in touchscreen, the obvious wireless charging, and UVC light to kill all the germs on your earbuds. Now let's open the box and see what's inside. Now from the package itself, it feels a little bit heavy, but not overly so. But for those of you who are used to AirPods Pro 2, you will find this unit to be heavier than that. Not a problem though, because you just put in your pants pocket and then you just walk around. There's no need to make a mountain out of a molehill. What I'd like to make a mountain out of a molehill is the cute thank you note at the bottom left of the box. These types of thank you note always make me feel warm and fuzzy inside. And using my dog as a table, let's open the box. There you go. That's the unit. You can see it slide up. That's not sticker. Let's get rid of this wrapping paper. And here we go. You can see that LCD panel at the front. That is a touch panel, by the way. There you go, see? There you go. Now let's get rid of this protective sticker. There you go. Now you can play freely with your screen. Whoops. Okay, let's go back. I need to change the language back to English. And follow the setup instructions on screen. There's no need for manual here. Although if you want to, you can just scan the QR code and you'll see the manual online. Here is the touchscreen action. It is pretty smooth, although I still need to get used to the sensitivity. But in general, this is great. The fact that I don't need to get to my phone, open the app, look for the functionalities that I want to activate or deactivate, it saves me from some frustrations. Especially because I get frustrated a lot. So anything that can minimize my frustration is a welcome in my life. And although initially I thought this is just going to be a gimmick, now I wish this so-called gimmick to be available on any earbuds. And now here it is, the inside of Cleer Arc 3. I don't know why there is a vanity mirror inside there, but hey, it's cute. As usual, you have to link your earbuds to the phone using Bluetooth, and from there, you open the Cleer app and sync it with the Cleer app. You start with a firmware update to the earbuds. It will take about 5 minutes, and then after that, you go to settings, and from settings, you go to charging case, click firmware, and then you update your case firmware. You will then find the new firmware and then click upgrade. It's gonna take about another 2-3 minutes to upgrade the whole thing, but once it's done, and you can start enjoying your Arc 3 earbuds. And one more thing, these earbuds come with a UVC sterilization functionality, so every time you finish using your earbuds, put it in a case, and it will do like a UVC sterilization process. How effective that is? Honestly, I don't know. However, it gives me a peace of mind, which is a good thing. As far as sound quality goes, I think it's pretty decent. The technology for earbuds have matured enough to make the sound quality of earbuds from known brands to sound at least decent. And the comfort, well, that's the most important thing. It's exceptional. Usually I cannot wear earbuds longer than 2-3 hours. But with these earbuds, I can actually use it for about 6 hours without any complaint whatsoever. See there? Even my dog agrees.